Hello there, and welcome to our Christmas show. It's that time of year again. My voice is a little bit hoarse, you may have noticed. Not a little hoarse, it's a little bit hoarse. But the show must go on. Now, it's been a Christmas tradition of ours for years and years, I think 33 years, to make a Christmas tree ornament from the previous year's Christmas tree. And we've been sharing that with you for the past 13 years. So here is last year's Christmas tree disc, 2024. And what I'm going to be doing is applying a design on the back. It's blank right now, and that's the design we're going to be using. So that's the plan. Let's get started. Okay, we're all set here. I've got my artwork all printed out on acid-free paper. See it here? Yep. And got our disc ready to go here. I put a little masking tape here on the front just to protect it from smudges. And I'm using white glue. This happens to be acid-free archival glue, but any white glue would work fine. So let's get started here. Rather messy. Don't want to take all day with this. Okay. Just want to get this really well applied. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And now we'll just let that dry, and we'll be right back. All right, the artwork is glued on, and I glued on some glitter here just to make it look nice. And now we're going to seal everything with a little shellac. I really like working with the spray shellac. It's very easy to use, and it works really well. It dries quick. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Okay, we'll do a couple coats. But that went pretty well. Okay, and our shellac is dry. And we're going to put on our ring here and solder it on. Carefully. Okay. I'm going to use this just to protect it a little bit from drips of solder. There we go, and a little bit of this. Okay. You ready?
Yes.
That worked better that time.
That looked good.
Boy, this is fussy. I much prefer working with wood. Okay, there we go. And our Christmas disc is finished. All set for the tree this year. And Jonine has come up with a little bit of a Christmas time competition. What's that all about?
So I thought we should be in competition every year now, maybe a new tradition. But this year I thought we should make gingerbread houses and see who can decorate the best gingerbread house.
Okay.
The only problem with this is we have to actually make the house first. You might have an advantage there, but we'll see. But here's what I have.
All right. Okay. I like this.
The glasses go on for the inspection. So we're going to start building these. You use this tray here.
Uh-huh.
Here's your walkway, you see.
I see.
And you can use any of this stuff that you want. And we're going to see who wins this competition.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
I might be following your lead, but go ahead.
No, here.
Okay.
That's your
Do we have a way to nip these? Okay, we do.
Yes.
Okay, we're all set then. Okay.
All right.
All righty.
All right. You have to put it in the bottom first.
Okay. Oh, geez.
Okay.
I don't know.
No, that's good. That's great. Probably that's better. Okay.
Okay.
Then, not
Yes.
too much.
Okay.
Then you're going to take your front of your,
Front?
yep, and you're going to do the
Okay.
glue on the inside.
Yep.
You put your
Oops.
front up there.
Okay.
That's okay. You're fine.
Okay. All right.
And then this is your side, a short side.
Okay.
Goes in here next.
Okay. This here and more of the same, right?
Well, I think that one will stick right on it. You know
Oh,
what I mean? Because you
okay.
have the, you could see
Nope.
if it sticks.
Oh, I'm going to do it.
You're a glue man. You like the glue.
Where are the scissors? Bring them over here.
Here. I tried to give you a disadvantage by a smaller hole.
Okay, this will work. Much better. Oh, now there you go. Okay, and this goes in like this?
Yeah, that sticks in there.
Okay. There we go.
Okay, and the next one goes on the other side.
Okay, you're
Like
going to
that.
glue yours?
I'm going to just go with it.
I'm just going to eat this stuff, is what I'm going to just do. Okay, here we go. Yes? Am I doing
Yes,
it right?
this side, yeah. See
Oh.
if that sticks. That's all right. There
It'll
you go.
stick. Okay, yes.
Perfect.
Good.
Now
All right.
on this one, we are going to just do this and this.
Okay.
And stick it in there. So
Got it.
just the,
You want? Oh, you got some.
I've got
okay.
some.
All right.
oops.
Flying in here. Okay, perfect. Well, is it perfect?
It is.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to have to.
I don't think it's perfect. Okay.
Okay.
That's good.
Yes. Now. Okay.
Okay. Next,
Then the roof.
the roof.
Oh, you know what? You have to break this piece off. This
I
is
do?
the chimney. Yeah. And that's messy. Sorry.
Okay.
Jeez.
I'm going to eat it. Okay.
Okay. So the roof has to go on like that.
Mm-hmm.
These are what you have to glue.
Okay. Good. Good. It's got icing all over my scissors. Okay.
Make sure the roof is, I
Uh-oh.
can't believe this is going to work, but
I can't believe it either. Okay. Some across here, maybe? No?
oh yes, that's right. Yes. That's smart. Yeah, can't have too much.
We can only do this in one take, you know, we're running out of icing here. Okay, then I just put it on like this?
Yes.
Okay.
That's gorgeous.
Okay.
Okay. Now the key
Yes.
is, which we'll have to speed this up,
Okay.
is to use your icing
Yep.
and use any of these decorations that you want for the lawn or for the roof or whatever.
Okay.
So I'm going to just do,
I'm going to follow your lead here because I
you know,
might
just,
learn something.
well, I mean, you can go in the, like decorate it. It's supposed to be like snow, I think.
Okay.
Uh,
And then along the top here.
yeah, I think so. So you can do whatever you want. Let's make it on
And then
the
more
top.
down this way.
Yeah, and then you can put stuff on there, all
Okay.
this stuff.
Along the edge of the roof line.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some of my
You
snow.
mean stuff like this?
Yeah,
This?
exactly.
Okay.
Or yeah, any of it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put gumdrops up there. And I
I don't know about this.
and
Okay.
I no, it's perfect.
It's perfect. Okay.
And you also have little sprinkles. You've all kinds of stuff.
All kinds of stuff. Okay.
Um,
Oops. Okay. It's all coming together now.
yes.
Couldn't be neater. That is just perfect.
It's great.
Oh, wait a minute. Well, you're like miles ahead of me here.
I'm not. I'm just doing a design.
Falling behind in class. Oh no. Oh no. I'm that kid.
You're making me
Okay.
laugh,
All right.
and I'm messing it up totally.
Oh, look at, you got the jelly things going and everything.
There we go. I'm gonna put some.
Okay.
Oh, this is. You know, it's funny how you have a vision of something, and then
Oh, it's real funny.
the reality of it is.
It's a riot, Alice. Okay. Done.
This is so bad.
Oh, you got snow things going on yours. Look.
Yeah, but yours is much neater. I think that's the. Here, maybe I'll do it.
I got this, as they say. All right.
You know what
Sprinkle
else? The camera, oops, can't even see. If you turn it like this, that's pretty messy.
There we go. That's beautiful. Couldn't be better. These are actually looking pretty cool, I think. Quickly. These people don't have all day, you know. I mean, this is a...
Oh, you did. Oh, that looks nice. See, you're smart. You did the balls.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
If you say so. What are these?
You can use
use
them.
these
You
too.
probably need more icing if you're going to put them somewhere.
Yeah, probably do.
Also, I think you're supposed to outline the
But no one can
doors.
see that. I'll just do it this here.
Yeah.
Do it right here. So our folks at home can see the precision that I'm working at. And then there, go like that. That's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. That is just something. And then
Oh, it's something, all right.
and then these beads go all over the place, like all over.
Oh no.
Okay, that was wonderful too. Okay. 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 How are we doing that? All right. Finger licking good. Okay.
These are horrible.
What do I do next?
You can use some
Yes.
of this stuff.
Oh, okay. What about this guy?
Oh yeah,
He's
he's
a-
perfect.
Rather happy-looking fellow, isn't he?
Yes.
Oh, sorry there, buddy. Okay. I'm going to put a tree in the front yard.
Yes. Let's see.
Yeah, that works. Okay.
You have to.
Okay. And a wreath. Oh, I got to have a wreath.
This is really.
Just going to attach that to the roof. That'll give it a kind of a jaunty looking thing there. I like that a lot. The tree, I just don't know about that. There, oops, okay.
Do you need this spray?
Spray? Where'd this come from? What does this do?
Pecan.
It's edible. It says on the can it's edible. No, that's not working. Okay. Okay, we're going to put this on.
Yeah, put your wreath on.
The wreath goes on like that. There we go. Beautiful.
There's your spray. Be careful. I don't know how big it gets.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I spray it?
Yeah, just a
That's-
little bit. Oh.
Oh, it's red. I see. Ooh, looks like blood. Okay. Oh. Okay.
That didn't really work out as I had envisioned.
I think it's fantastic. Look at that, folks. Come on. Is this Christmas wonderful or
Here,
what?
hold it up so we can see which one.
Okay,
works.
and then we'll probably drop it. But okay, here we go. And there is our beautiful Christmas, whatever they are,
For 2025.
for 2025.
Yes. So, there we go. It's been fun sharing this with all of you all the years.
Yes, it has been. I don't know how many Christmases we've shared with you all, but it's been quite a few. We've had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you've had a little bit of fun watching us do this. And we would like to wish you now a very Merry Christmas
and a
Happy New Year.
See ya.